They have lipstick on them.
No, so
Lipstick. How beautiful. I wonder how they got lipstick on them. Could they have been from him kissing her and then him taking them off with his mouth or something? Well, how the hell does that happen? How do you get lipstick on your panties? Unless he shoved them in her mouth and taped her mouth shut. Maybe he should have. I hope she's fucking dead. And anyway, I'm really pissed off, and I think it's because I spent a lot of time just, being the housewife and being great and wonderful and sitting at home waiting for him to get home so he could fuck my brains out. And he hasn't been doing that lately at all. I wonder why. See these? That's why. He's fucking some girl. Some young girl, probably. Anyway, so you know what? I'm going to get him back. I'm going to fuck somebody too. So that's why I'm here. Because I heard that you guys were fucking housewives. So that's what I'm coming here for.